2x milling tactic. Tactic can automatically recognize milling features and generate 2x toolpaths in one step. This is the model. Click 2x mill to tactic to create 2x milling tactic. Right-click feature to define the machining feature. Pick part to add. Then, right-click Mill to Tactic to create and calculate operations. Click here to expand all operations. The first operation is facing. Others are pocketing operations. Right-click First Operation to verify toolpath. Click Play button. Now you can visually see the tool movement. Okay? This has been a brief introduction to the 2x milling tactic.